social media content and marketing strategy, 5 videos to get you started. This is video number 1 and it's a pop quiz. Question number 1. How many posts can you reasonably do in a month? If you're thinking about creating quality content, so quality over quantity, and you want to be consistent, what's feasible for you? We recommend posting a minimum of 3 times a week. You can batch your core content into maybe 3 days, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then keep the weekend open from some lighter inspirational stuff. Would that work for you? Number 2, what do you want to be known for? If you want to be an expert in your field, you want to be an expert in what? If you're in real estate, you want to be the person that specializes in luxury properties or in the condo market. So you have to let people know what you're the expert in. If you have a store, do you want to be the backcountry resort store in Whistler or the best pizza restaurant to go to? So what do you want to be known for? Question number 3. Who are you talking to? Who is your best client? You want to make sure that you're going to create content that's going to resonate with your target audience. So ask those 3 questions. You can head to my website at katherineheard.ca. On the blog, there's some cheat sheets you can download to do some exercises, or you can sign up for one of my upcoming workshops.